What are my thoughts on regional markets? Now, what's actually happened here is that because of the pandemic, because of COVID, it's basically enabled a lot of businesses to go digital. It's enabled things like working from home, having virtual meetings. And as a result of that, a lot of people are now looking towards what I should say, lifestyle markets. It's not really regional. They're not really the same thing. Lifestyle markets are things like sea change or tree change markets. So what that basically means is if I'm working a PAYG job and my employer now allows me to work from home, I don't really need to live close to work anymore. I can work anywhere I want. Now think about it, if you're living in Melbourne or in Sydney, with the house prices, with the expenditure, living in a major metropolitan city, all of a sudden you've got the choice now to move somewhere else with a better lifestyle. So what we're seeing as a trend everywhere, it's not just in Sydney or Melbourne, it's happening across the whole country. People now are choosing to move to coastal markets or markets where they have a better lifestyle. North coast, south coast of New South Wales, we're seeing a lot of people packing up their bags, moving out of the state into Queensland, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, or the Bayside, Brisbane markets. It's happening in other markets as well. People are moving down to Tasmania, even South Australia. As long as that area offers some sort of lifestyle, people are connected more with nature, they can spend more time with their kids, bigger backyards. It's not the same thing as, moving to the outback or something like that. It's not really the same thing. It offers a different lifestyle, a better lifestyle than what people normally experience in like a major capital city, right? So big markets that are going through big boom time at the moment: Central Coast, Hunter Valley, Blue Mountains, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Cairns. These type of markets where they offer either a sea change or a tree change is going to see continued growth over the next couple of years. It's not just a short-term thing. I think a lot of people, as they can digitalize their careers, as that happens and as that is more prevalent, we will see more of this happening more and more down the track.